Hi everybody, Mischa here with Word of the Day, and there it is, Bruxism. And a big shout out to Scooter for another terrific word. Now, what is Bruxism? Grinding your teeth, particularly at night when you're asleep. That's all it is. And it comes from Greek braichein, meaning gnashing of teeth, which is the same as teeth grinding. And you'll see, you know in the Bible, the wailing and gnashing of teeth. You know, we, as human beings, as primates, we will grip our teeth in many situations. But this bruxism, this is grinding your teeth without really realizing it. Now, when does it enter English? Well, this word was really more or less invented by Dr.BFrohman in 1932. And he looked at what was happening to people's teeth and their health, and he decided, you know what, this is a problem that we have to treat, and he called it Bruxism. Now, how can we use this word today? Very easy. So I'll start with Dr. Frohman. Historically, teeth grinding was considered normal human behavior until Dr. Frohman really took a look at it and its pathology and how much it hurt people, and then it became an issue, Bruxism. How about this? Sigmund Freud had some good ideas that we still hold on to. For example, defense mechanisms like denial or projection. However, his psychosexual theories could get pretty wild, like, the Oedipus complex. One of them was about bruxism. He thought it was a sign of deep-seated anger and aggression that developed in your childhood. Well, now, I don't think he was necessarily entirely wrong. I would probably grind my teeth at night because of my anger about what happens every day. And finally, I practiced as a hypnotherapist for a while, and one of the most common things that people go to hypnotherapists for is bruxism. And you know what? It's extremely helpful. And you don't have to take any drugs. So there you go. That was Word of the Day. And see if you can use it. Maybe call your friend and go, I just found out I have bruxism. Sounds kind of fancy. Listen, I will see you tomorrow.